Magic Design Templates Pro. Tons of DIY graphic design templates and pitch deck elements. Better than ever. Leverage the Magic Toolkit to create, use, and resell unlimited design with just a few clicks and make massive profits. Hashtag simple solution to design like a PRO. Hashtag no complicated design skills required. Hashtag no hassle. No fuss. Hashtag easy as 1, 2, 3. The first tool that makes it easy to design eye-catching professional videos that increase sales without the usual hassle or cost, with unrestricted PLR license. Important features of Magic Design Templates PRO. Create stunning visuals, business promos, marketing kits, social media posts, presentations, and more in just a few minutes. Build presentations with a polished, professional look for any topic with minimal effort. Make unlimited design with unrestricted PLR, so you can share or sell your creations and keep all the profits. High-quality templates and content give your design a memorable look people love. Live life on your terms by creating breathtaking design that you can use and resell as a freelancer, product launcher, or graphic designer. With Magic Design Templates PRO, you get everything you need to create design that make a real impact and grow your brand quickly, easily, and affordably. So, if you want to buy this amazing product, then visit my bio. Do you always end up paying ridiculously high prices for your branding designs? Fed up with spending too much time trying to create eye-catching visuals and presentations? Want to create superb designs and business kits without hiring an expensive professional designer? Then, you have hit the jackpot. Now, you can easily use our Magic Design Templates to create stunning branding designs and marketing business kits. Yes, you can do it, all by yourself. DIY marketing ads, company profiles, brand identity, social media visuals, pitch deck presentations, and more. All available in just 3 simple clicks. Are you tired of trying to create visual graphic designs and pitch decks that look professional? How will high-quality design boost your business? 73% of senior marketing executives believe that visual assets, such as photos, videos, illustrations, and infographics, are essential for communicating their brand story. 85% of marketers predict that the use of visual design will continue to grow significantly in 2025 compared to previous years. So dear friend, if you want to buy this amazing product, then visit my bio. Adhikar, thank you.